Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to AdScale Academy. Today we're diving into the BI, the Business Intelligence Hub of your store. Whether you're on Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform, AdScale pulls all your store's data directly into this powerful tool. One of the best features here is Advertising Insights. When you click this, the AI shows you exactly how to improve your results. For example, it might suggest increasing your average order value. This is a huge factor when you're ready to scale your ads. Let's look at geographic data. If you have orders coming in from all over the world but a limited budget, you need to be smart. By filtering your data, you might see that states like Texas and California are driving the most revenue. Instead of spreading your budget thin, you can concentrate your ads on these high-performing states. This helps you get those quick wins and build the revenue you need to eventually scale up and target everywhere else. Within these insights, we also track your most important KPIs, your key performance indicators. We're looking at things like your average order value, repeat customer rate, and how often people come back to buy again. This data helps you decide your next move. If you have a very high repeat customer rate, we can focus your ads on finding new traffic. But if we see that your repeat customer rate is low, say around 7%, that's a clear sign we should focus on remarketing to bring those customers back. Learn more about the business intelligence in our other help videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to AdScale Academy for more videos.